Colorado right now, and it's me, Zach, Kylie, Chagan, and Jimmy playing disc golf at Bear Mountain, I think. It's like number 25 in the world, which is pretty sweet. So that's what we're doing for now. I don't know what we're doing later today though. But too much sauce. Yeah, this is hole 4. And I think Jimmy's in the lead right now. I have 12 through 3. So I've bogeyed every hole. We're gonna play with Mitch and Pooh and Rogies, but they had issues at the airport, so it's just us 5. Yeet! Hey, road's not out of bounds.
That's our next tee box. Forward progress.
Forward progress.
Yeah, that's... yeah, I'll take it.
But yeah, Jimmy found this spot. Pretty cool.
Yeah. As long as...
Zach's distracting me from the back. Foul. Mulligan.
N1.
Oh, not N1.
Foul.
Right here. Easy money. Oh, money, Zach. Money.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, lovely girl.
Watch that foot fault, guy. Damn, I outdrove you again.
I'm in the middle of the fairway.
But I outdrove you.
Talk to me at the end of the hole.
But I outdrove you.
It's an hour.
Oh, fine, yeah, fine. Alright. Shagan and I just agreed to whoever loses has
I'm about to go fucking crazy.
whoever loses has to drink 2 Malort shots. And Malort is disgusting, but Chagan is gonna need to do it because I'm about to beat Chagan.
No liquid fire
I
for
will
me.
meet you at the...
It's time to lock in. Yeah, I outdrove Chagan. Isn't that crazy?
Nice shot.
Thanks. I need to lock in though.
Okay, that is a freaking cool basket.
Wait, why?
You'll see.
It's this one right here, not the far one, right?
It's the close one.
Yeah, I guess. Fuck, I need more gusto.
More gusto?
I needed more gusto. Damn, is that your disc right there? Huh. This will be your 4th? Yeah. Ooh!
Pretty cool.
Yeah, I guess.
You have no appreciation for art.
I don't. This is a huge putt.
I'm gonna make mine and miss yours. All that time to miss. Football.
Woo! Woo!
Football.
Nuh-uh. Uh-uh. Oh, wait, I thought yours was right here. We're both, what?
It's
34.
Like in
34,
in their
yeah.
neighborhood.
Chagan and I tied after
They
9.
have Oh, shit.
Jimmy's doing well, Zach's doing alright, Kylie's doing alright,
Right.
but Chagan and I is the only thing that matters, because... Oh, I'm trying to not drink Malort.
You got a par on that?
Damn, so we let a random guy play through. I didn't record it, but he aced it. He aced it. And so...
We're not recording.
No, dude, I know, I'm trash.
I can't make up for it now.
I know, but I gotta say what happened. He aced it, and now we gotta sign it.
I got one if you need it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's see here.
Damn.
That's,
And Zach
ace
was...
number 3 for me.
That was huge.
Oh, there you go.
And Zach was like, get your ace disc out.
You bought that disc here, right?
No, I didn't. What is this, hole 11?
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
Adrenaline. What's the date today?
9/20.
9/20.
That was awesome.
That was sick.
Better ace this.
All right, pass it around. That's pretty
I
cool.
just signed my name, yeah?
You can sign whatever you want.
You said Colorado ace, so you're not from here?
No, I'm from Madison, Wisconsin.
Okay.
Oh,
My brother lives
Don't
in
fuck up.
Daly, so I'm just here visiting.
What do you do?
From Texas, so
Okay.
not out
Right on.
Yeah, that's a pretty good drawing, though.
we're from the land of the flat.
wait, how did I know you were gonna write? I was like, I thought someone draw a cat.
Done.
Why? I don't know.
This disc has been absolutely hunting chains too.
Yeah,
Ever
sick.
since I picked it up, just not even that long ago, a month ago or so. And
Oh, shit,
just-
nice.
It wanted one bad. Finally got it.
Damn, for us, all
That was
the
awesome.
all the discs have been attracted to trees.
Jamie, you should write your quote. If you don't ace this,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just at you.
better ace this. So, yeah.
Aces or we'll be upset or whatever. Now we have to play all 22. Doesn't count if not. Fuck. Chagan just parred that hole and I double bogeyed. Now I'm 2 above. It's not looking good. But I have hope still. So Chagan's 2 in front of me. So I'm down. I'm up 2 strokes. So I need to come back. And maybe this is the hole.
Ace into the wrong basket.
Oh, damn. That would have been actually insane.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hard.
Oh, a little cocky, huh? Well, Chagan had to leave. Because he's going to meet with a friend, which is bullshit. So we didn't finish the round. But he was 3 ahead, I think. So now I have to do 2 shots of Malort tomorrow. Which I'm not looking forward to. But that's tomorrow's problem.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on her back like Charles do.